Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about combined command and intersect command. In combine we can have add, subtract and combine all three options, and in intersect we can have exclude bodies. So I am going to explain both the commands. Before explaining these two commands, I am going to create this model. So I have taken a new SolidWorks file, select the front plane, circle is of 300 diameter. So hide all types. So you can see the circle over here. Once again select the front plane, select center point arc, now select center line, see the angle between the two inputs is 150. It is exactly like this. Select the extruded balls, select mid plane 90 degrees. The thickness is of 5 mm. Save. Now select the front plane once again. Go to sketch. Select the circle convert entity. Take center line. One more line with integration. The angle is 30 degrees. Angle is 30. To make this circle construction, now take 3-point corner rectangle. Select this point and this point and just simply drag it. Now select the revolve feature, revolving axis, select this inclined line, and you can see here a cylinder. See, while creating the revolve feature, we have to make sure that uncheck the merge results and save. So we can see two independent bodies. Now I am going to create an axis, selecting the top plane and the right plane. See, axis has been created. Now I'm going to pattern, selecting circular pattern. Here I have selected this axis. Making equal of 9 instances. I want to skip some of the instances. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save it. Easy. So select hide all types. So this model is ready now. So now I am going to edit a circular pattern. So earlier I have selected this revolve feature. I am clearing this feature from the selection. Now I am going to check this bodies. So in bodies I am going to select this revolve body and save it. Now I can see 5 different bodies in the solid bodies folder. Now I am going to use combine tool. Selecting this, so let's see what's the transition happens. See, earlier we have seen 5 bodies in the solid bodies folder. Now that folder disappeared. That means it's a single body. Now I am going to use subtract. So I'm going to select this main body and selecting the other cylindrical bodies in the bodies to be subtracted. So wherever there is intersection with these bodies, the material is removed. Say here also it becomes a single body. So we don't see any solid bodies folder. Now I'm going to use common and select all the bodies. So it doesn't take. Say unable to create single body common to input bodies because we have to select only two bodies, independent bodies. So I am selecting these two and say OK. See here. So it creates the intersecting body. So here also we can see only 4. Earlier it was 5 bodies in this folder. So one body has been removed. So we can see only 4. Now I am suppressing this combined feature. Now I am going to use intersect. So select all the bodies. So here we can choose any option, create intersecting region, internal region. So I am using create both, and we have to select this intersect option. So then it generates different bodies. So we can see different bodies. All are isolated bodies. If I say OK, see earlier we have seen different body folders. We don't see all this. So we can see different bodies. Now edit this feature once again, and if I don't want some of the bodies, so I can remove it. So we don't see any body folder over here. That means it's a single body. So this is the major difference between combined and intersect commands. So we have to use according to our requirement. Thanks for watching.